Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss about the test of divisibility by 7. So we will find out that whether a number is divisible by 7 or not. Suppose a number is what is given in the what is the condition given. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Okay, so this is the condition given. This is from your book, you can check it. Okay, it is in the page number it is in the page number 26. Okay, page number 26. So suppose we will now check it. Let us take the first number as 6021. We will check it that whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, so what it is given, a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit. So what is one digit? Is one's digit is 1. Okay, now it is telling that if the difference means minus subtraction, if the difference between twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. So what is the twice of one's digit? Twice of one's digit is 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, twice means we have to multiply the one's digit. What we have in the one's digit? We have 1. So 2 into 1, because we have to find the twice. So twice means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. And what are the other rest of the digits? That is 602. Okay, and that means what number is formed by the other digits? That is 602. So now 6, we have to find the difference between 602 minus 2. Okay, minus 2, these two I have written here. So how can we write it? Suppose we can write it like this: 602 minus 2 into 1 is equal to how much? Is equal to 602 minus 2 is equal to 600. Is equal to 600. So as we have to check that whether 600 is divisible by 7 or not. So first condition is given that the difference should be either 0 or it should be a multiple of 7. It is not 0, so it has not met the first condition. And second condition is that it has to be multiple of 7. So we have to check that whether it is multiple of 7 or not. So we can check it here. 7 divided by 600. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. What is the difference? 4. Then we have to bring 0 here. So 7 5 is 35. So what is the remainder here? 5. So that means as we have get the remainder 5, so that means 600 is not divisible by 600 is not divisible by 7. So as 600 is not divisible by 7, therefore the number 6 right here like this. Since 600 is not divisible by 7, Therefore 6021 is not divisible by 7. Therefore 6021 is not divisible by 7. Okay, so in this way you have to check it that whether the number 6021 is divisible by 7 or not. So here it is in the condition it is given that a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit. So its one digit is 1. So I have written here 2 into 1. As you have to find the difference, so I have written here minus. Okay, and the number formed, we have to find the difference. We have to find the difference between twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digits. So what the number formed by other digits? 602. So we have to find the difference between 602. See here 602. We have to find the difference between 602 minus 2 into 1's digit, that is 1. So 602 minus 2 is 600. So 600 is not divisible by 7. Therefore 6021 is not divisible by 7. Okay, now we'll check another example. Say 25368. So what is this one's digit? So which one's digit is 8. Its one's digit is 8. Okay, its one's digit is 8. So what is the number formed except the one's digit, that is 25. See here 2536, only this number is formed except the one's digit. So right here 2536 minus the difference should be between twice the one's digit. So 2 into twice means 2 into one's digit. What is in the one's digit? It is 8. So 2 into 8. Okay, so what is the difference we get? 2536 minus 2 is just 16. Okay, so what we get? 2536 minus 16 is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 is 252. So 2520. So 2520 is not 0. 250 is not 0. Therefore we can first condition it has not met, because either the result has to be 0 or it has to be a multiple of 7. So first condition, that is it has to be 0, it's not met. Therefore we have to check the second condition, and that is that the number is divisible by 7 or not. So let's check out 2520. So 7 3 is 21. So what is the remainder? What is the difference? 4. Now bring it. 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 6 is 42. So here the difference is 0. Okay, the difference is 0. So again we bring this 0 here. After bringing this 0, still we are 0, it is still small than 7, so the remainder is 0, and we have to put here a 0. Okay, so we can say that this number 2520 is divisible by 7. Now write here, since 2520 is divisible by 7, therefore we can say that the number 25368 is divisible by 7. Okay, so this is the way we have to check it. So I hope students you have understood. If you have any problem you can tell me. Okay, thank you very much.